Hello everyone, welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Jake. I know I said this video would be a camp video, but unfortunately things didn't work out the way I had planned to. So today I am going to take you guys on one of my favorite hikes. We're in Lynn Valley right now, heading to Lynn Headwaters Park. I can't promise you guys it'll be a long video, but we're gonna see some pretty cool stuff. So sit back and I hope you enjoy the video. Well, this wasn't like this last time I was here. Looks like they're doing some serious cutting of some trees in this area. Beautiful out here. Definitely don't get this where I came from. Well guys, I don't actually know where I'm going. It's kind of turned more into a exploration trip, but that's alright. So I was just reading the bulletin board just down at the trailhead. It said that there was a bear spotted in the area. So I'm glad I brought my bear spray. But there's a lot of people here, so. It looks like a little trail I want to explore. Let's go check it out. If it's even a trail. Where I live, this would be considered a trail to me. As long as we don't run into any bears, we'll be good. Oh, it's really nice down there. I know you guys can't probably see. It flattens out down there. We don't get these forests where I live. Most of our forests are all dry. There's no ground growth. And not trees this high. The coast is super beautiful, I must say. But I think this trail is going to lead me down to the river. I can hang out there for a little bit. Since I've already decided I have no destination, we got lots of time now. I was originally going to do a hike, but I just don't have enough time today. Maybe next time I'm on the coast. Alright guys, time to hike back up to the main trail. I don't want to stick around too long since there is a bear close by. Don't want no issues with any angry bears. a steep hill. It'd be cool to see a bear from a distance though. Alright, almost to the top. Okay, made it back up. There's the main trail down there. Nice little detour. Check things out, right? Doesn't seem to be too busy here today, which is super great. This place usually gets very busy. Check out this. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is all those lines. That's actually an old pipe used to run through. That's really cool. Well, this is kind of cool. This looks to be a chute. It's what they used to use to bring the logs down the mountain. What they would do is they'd run the water through it and send the logs all the way down. Pretty smart. This one's obviously not original. This one's been rebuilt. But sure is pretty cool. What I'm assuming is the workers would be on this bench here, helping guide the logs down. Had to come into the bush to check this out. Look at that. Look at this tree. The two trees have wrapped right around it. Well, I think I'll be having lunch here today. It's already 1:30. Nice. A beautiful lake. This one's called Rice Lake. Another really nice one. Alright, I think it's time to find a place to sit down and have a little break. Kind of somewhere where there's nobody around. Oh, hold on, I think I found something. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. I'm gonna say it's a geocache. Let's check. No, it's not. Yeah, definitely cool. It's not a geocache, but okay, I think I'm gonna keep walking. This looks like a good spot to hang out right here. Seems like a good place to have lunch. I would definitely see a bear coming through here for sure. But it's far enough away from the trail, nobody's gonna see me, and I can just hang out, have lunch in privacy. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any beer with me this trip. I decided to skip the beer this time and just kind of go with the water. This stuff is so nice and soft. It's like sitting on a cushion. I love the coast for that. Anywhere in the mountains, you've got full moss, carpeted forests. It's so beautiful. It's my favorite. So nothing fancy today. Just bought a wrap from the corner store. Rotisserie chicken chipotle wrap. I've had them before. They're pretty good, but it's been a while. But I'm gonna have lunch here. I don't want to sit around for too long because I am eating, and there was a sign just at the beginning of this trail saying that there was a bear in the area, so. This forest would be great to build a bushcraft camp. It's like an endless supply of resources. Super tall trees, close to each other. And that's all you see is just straight trees. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna hang out for a bit and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, I made it back onto the trail and we're heading out. I think the next stop will be the suspension bridge, which is pretty cool. We'll check that out for a bit. And then after that, I think it'll be time for me to start heading back home. But I'm gonna keep walking, get some distance, because I've kind of been lollygagging today. But that's alright. Okay guys, I'm on the trail on the way up to the suspension bridge. I think I should be there in about 5 minutes or so. People are already swimming in the river and it's glacier fed. But I'll get back with you at the suspension bridge. Yeah. Hey guys, I want to make this short and simple because there's a lot of people around here. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.